What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Yad. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I prepare for drop. Now, preparing for drop day is actually super important because you need to know how to market your pre-drop, how to take pictures for your website so you can have nice clean backgrounds and everything for the website, running a few ads, learning the basics of some pre-drop ads, and making content for your product so people can see, okay, I like this product, I like what it has to offer, I'm gonna go check it out. Content is probably the number one way to market your stuff for organic growth. You guys know me, I'm here to help you guys. Subscribe with post notifications on if you guys want more videos like this. Drop a like, it helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Let me know if y'all mess with the studio though. Like, got the double ring lights, containers, and a tripod. That's where I put my camera. And you know, this is what I'm really trying to start shooting all my videos and stuff. Just something mini studio for now until we can upgrade in the future. All right, so for example product today we're gonna be shooting for my pre-drop is these nylon pants. They got the reflective 3M on the side. So when you take a picture with the flash, it'd be like showing the flash. I'm gonna put an example on screen now. You know, it's a great quality. I'm not gonna lie. Embroidery on there. Like, this joint is nice, bro. So you see, we got the open cuff bottoms. Got the logo on the side, screen printed all over the side. It's a great quality product. And we did sell out of these jackets. I'm restocking real soon, so be tuned for that with more colorways. So first thing we're doing is gonna take some product pictures. I'm gonna grab the product and I'll lay it out on the carpet like this. Give me enough space. I'll move the chair and I'll have enough space for that. Then I'll start to point my ring lights down onto the product so it has great lighting. All right, so what I'll do, like I said, I'm gonna usually put the ring lights down. I'll move them down like this. Go ahead and adjust them. And I'll point it towards the product so it shows. Got this one, then we got the big boy. This one's the one that's pushing all the power, so this one's probably the most important light. Now that we have the lights over it, as you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. We have both the lights over it. This one doesn't really bend that much compared to this one, so that's why that one's like the main powerhouse. Y'all see the lights coming now from here. It looks good, everything looks straight. Now when we come to this side, it looks reflective. Y'all see that? Because this is now showing the reflectiveness effect. So I'm gonna have to flip it around both times so I could show the reflectiveness and then the normal, if y'all can see that. I do everything last. I also make sure like everything is good for the picture. And I'll usually, believe it or not, I'll usually use my phone for pictures. I haven't really played my camera that much because I'm not really the best photographer. I'm still learning how to use the camera for real. So I'll probably use my phone. I'm gonna show you guys an app that I use to make the background white, because I know a lot of y'all have questions on how to make a white background for the product. Okay, so I'll open up this app called Photo Room. I can see and then just take the picture. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and I'm gonna take a few pictures and find the best angles. Okay, what I do is I click start from photo right here. I open up the picture I want to do. Let's say I want to do this picture, for instance. Okay, it's gonna automatically scan and it'll give me a clear photo. I click white right here, and then y'all see, there y'all go. And then I just crop that part out. But there you go, got literally free product shots. Don't have to pay for nothing, none of that. Okay, after I get some product shots on the ground, I like to get some pictures while it's being modeled or on body so people can see it, like how it fits and how it looks on body. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to go link up with my boy Dancy, greatest W-mans of all time. He's gonna help me take some pictures, so I'm about to go over there right now. All right, as y'all can see, we just pulled up to a location so we could take some little product shots. You see I got the product. But I go ahead and just take a few pictures for products, like on body shots, so we can show the people like what it looks like on body. This is like one of the most important things, because if someone just sees it laid out on the floor, they want to see how it like fits. So it's one of a very important step when you're preparing for your drop. So we're gonna go ahead and take some pictures. I'm gonna let y'all see that. I just got to the crib again, you know. So now what I also like to do is I like to go ahead and lay this stuff out, like right here. I like to lay out like the bulk order, as y'all can see, and then put like the pants on top and take some pictures like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. As y'all can see, it's down. I'm gonna go ahead and take the picture, then crop it so nothing else is showing. All right, right here, what I do is I get the images and put them on my computer so then I can put them on the website, and I'm gonna show you how they look when they're on the website. Usually I try to crop down the images on Photoshop here so I can get the perfect size for the website, which is 1024 by 1024. That's what I use for my images on the website. And you'll go open up Photoshop and do that real quick. All right, what we're gonna do is go ahead and click add product. And we're gonna go ahead and fill out all this information for the product itself. Alright, as y'all can see, I just put them on the site right there. Yep, there you go. First thing on the site, $35. I'm not gonna tax like crazy on these, you know, but they up on the site. I'm gonna put them away for now though until my release time. That's when you're seeing how they look on the site with the other products. Y'all see everything is sold out though, bro. I'm blessed for that. Thank y'all so much. And now once I do this, I go ahead and start getting my SMS marketing ready. I use SMS Bump, as y'all can see. Greatest SMS marketing. Just waiting for it to load up. I only have $19 up there left, totally. But you know, I'm gonna go ahead and go down to SMS campaigns, where it's at right here. And that's when I'll start an SMS campaign. I'll send out a text message to all the people letting them know that the drop is ahead. Usually once I finish all that, I literally just go ahead and start making TikToks, upload TikToks. And that's really how I prepare for drops. And I just, you know, run a couple ad boosted posts. I go ahead and boost some of those posts on Instagram. It's pretty simple, honestly. It's nothing too crazy, you know, but I do try to guarantee myself some type of success with a little bit of marketing. I hope y'all did enjoy that video of me showing y'all how I kind of prepare for drop day, some of the simple things I do. If y'all do enjoy this video and want more videos like this, make sure to drop a like, subscribe with post notifications on, because you know that helps the channel. And hopefully we'll hit 1,000 subscribers soon, because we're going pretty fast right now. Other than that, it's been your boy Yad, and I'm out. All right, before I go, I'm gonna tell you guys some things. So if y'all are interested in copping my manufacturer list, it has a whole bunch of manufacturers that I work with. Like, y'all can get custom pieces like this, cut and sewn, fully customized, rhinestones, even the puff print jackets over there. Y'all see custom, literally custom bags y'all see for the clothing, all that. I have a manufacturer list on my website. It has a bunch of designers and manufacturers that I work with personally. So if y'all are interested in that, make sure to go cop that in my website.
They don't understand me, young and only 17, taking care of family.